people from press and media are here. If they are here, of course, they are also party to it. Well, tuberculosis and STF. When Professor Manoj Kumar said STF, then I was swept away by STF of Uttar Pradesh, State Task Force to Eliminate the Crime. That is what we understand by STF. If there is a criminal who is doing lot of nonsense, the CM calls STF, and the car, either the criminal is gunned down or car palat jati hai. वो vividly cited incidents you have witnessed. So broadly, I mean STF is something to eliminate the criminal, and this STF is something which is to eliminate another criminal which we cannot see with the bare eyes. The tuberculosis is one entity, and I am from Kanpur, where tuberculosis was endemic. When I was given the first opportunity to address the teachers and my colleagues, and the topic assigned was leprosy, so I asked my colleagues, as to today I will have to speak on prevention of leprosy for 10 minutes. How should I go about? My colleague told me, you are living in endemic city of tuberculosis, so start like that. Suspected teachers and infected students. That means every fifth was suspect and every third was proven case of tuberculosis in city of Kanpur. This is, I am talking about the era from 80 to 85. There was a time of tuberculosis when Mrs. Prime Minister Kamala Nehru, who developed tuberculosis, and there was no anti-tubercular chemotherapy of any kind available all over the globe. That was the time, and the sanatoria were built up. One sanatoria is still available. 5-6 years back I visited Shimla. Still the name sanatorium is written. That was the history. And what was the treatment available to these tuberculosis patients during those days? Nothing more than dietary. Fishes were served, probably for high intake of live proteins, green leafy vegetables, fruits, and isolation. You know, tuberculosis is one of the most contagious disease. One person can infect 3 to 10 people. Can you understand the gravity of the infectiousness? Is infection, the virulence of Mycobacterium tuberculi, the invasiveness of Mycobacterium tuberculi, the multiplication character of Mycobacterium tuberculi, and of course the contagious behavior of Mycobacterium tuberculi is enormous. As Dr. Dungdung pointed out, that it infects every organ of body excluding probably hair and nail. If I am not mistaken, probably I witnessed one case of nail infection also, which does not seems to be, may not be corroborated with tuberculosis, because it is a dead organ. Until there is a blood circulation and supply, there is no logic of infection of tuberculosis. Incidentally, the tuberculosis is known for 9,000 years. In Sea of Israel, one mother and his child was buried, and it was probably believed by archaeologists that they were both suffering from the tuberculosis. History of tuberculosis, if you go in Ayurveda, it is called as Rajakshama disease. Even today, if you talk, because I am PhD from Ayurveda, so I want to touch few points related with Ayurveda. One of the High Court retired judge who ultimately became the chairman of Backward Class Commission in Uttar Pradesh and ultimately Supreme Court Justice, I will not name him, he treated me like his son. And when I asked him, as to Babuji, why are you looking so frail and weak? He said, Doctor Sahab, I suffered from the Rajakshama disease. But I never took anti-tubercular chemotherapy. That's wonderful. How did you treat? Then he told, it's a top secret, but I will share with you because you are a renowned doctor of brain and this can also be treatment. I said, how did you treat? Like Morarji Desai, Honorable ex-justice who is no more today, he tend to take 1 glass of his urine every day. There had been traditions of treatments of tuberculosis. If you discuss it today with any Ayurveda fellow, he will tell number of herbomineral preparations and diet and what to eat, what not to eat apple, eat tomato, eat dates, eat something very healthy, eat green leafy vegetable, but there was no treatment available. The disease which can involve from top to toe had no treatment once upon a time. If you name only the tuberculosis of CNS, it can present any protein manifestations. You can have tubercular meningitis, you can have tubercular encephalitis, you can have tubercular incipient granuloma, you can have tubercular edema, you can have tubercular abscess, you can have tuberculoma, you can have tubercular neuritis, you can have tubercular vasculitis, you can have tubercular infarct, you can have tubercular arachnoiditis, you can have tubercular hydrocephalus, you can have tubercular subdural effusion, you can have tubercular extradural protein manifestations. It can occur anywhere. There is no part which is devoid of this infection. And there had been a time when this gene expert was not available. This disease is common in our India. 1/4 of the burden is borne by India. So we are the people who will have to investigate and we will have to find out the modality of the treatment and modality of appropriate investigation. There are a number of the patients who visited to my OPD. We could not reach the diagnosis. The patients of the brain tumor, say pontine gliomas, had been treated at periphery by the anti-tubercular chemotherapy. The malignancies had been treated by the anti-tubercular chemotherapy. If the patient refused to undergo surgery, the surgeon says, okay, let's start anti-tubercular chemotherapy. With the same eyes, when this gene expert was not available, we introduced from SGPGI a battery for bone and spine tuberculosis that was very successful and vividly quoted all over the globe. What I wish to convey that we are the people who are the main stakeholder of tuberculosis. We are topper in so many things. India is an institution where we top in illiteracy, we top in poverty, we top in so many other things. We top in road traffic accidents, we top in infectious diseases, we top in maternal mortality, we top in infant mortality, we top in tuberculosis and other infectious diseases also. What I wish to convey, it is a challenge for the young blood. You will have to find out the modality. There was a time when there was no treatment. There was a time when there was no definitive diagnostic tool was available. Today you have definitive treatment, definitive diagnostic investigation, but you have come to the era where multiple drug resistance have come up. 20 to 25% of the cases have MDR. You have brought bedaquiline to treat that and another drug I am forgetting the name, but BDQ is popularly in use. जो भी है, I am not to write that, you people write that. I write more on brain, but for the sake of medical fraternity, 2 drugs are available today and these are prescribed under direct supervision. So what I wish to convey to the, mainly because here we are with the medical fraternity, the tuberculosis is less challenge for the rest of the world. Of course, the resurgence has occurred with the HIV all over the globe. Otherwise, tuberculosis was not that rampant in other countries as it is today. But with the addition of HIV and increasing viral infections and increasing autoimmune diseases and decreasing the immunity because of the different factors, the tuberculosis has become a challenge to the rest of the globe, not only to India. India is a main stakeholder. Our PM declared that the tuberculosis would be eliminated by 2025. Professor Manoj Kumar told me that now the time duration has been extended to 2030. I believe and hope that the kind of organization and task forces at state level, central level and different levels are organized with the special clinics, with the special laboratory investigations. I believe that by 2030 maybe we shall be talking less about tuberculosis and we shall be talking more about a new disease which is likely to come the day COVID came to us. So challenge would for medical fraternity, the challenge would always be there. And the medical fraternity, one who is up to date, he will have to stay young. How do you stay young? By more studies, more research, more knowledge, more skill, more dexterity, more competence, more dedication. If all these things are ingredient of any medical student or medical fraternity, probably he or she is going to excel in days to come in the life for himself or herself, not only for himself and herself, for rest of the society and to the entire country. Thank you very much.